Welcome to Reflections of AG. This is a one-stop platform for everything academics, finances, and motivation. This is the fourth video I'm doing about F1 or J1 visas. So if you have not watched the previous ones, please do well to watch them before you watch this video. If you are seeing me for the first time, what's up? If you have been here with me throughout my journey, I want to thank you for staying through with me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So this is a continuation for the do's and don'ts of your F1J1 visa interview day. And today we are looking at the don'ts. In part 1, we spoke about the eligibility requirement and the do's you need to do for your visa interview day. So hop on, let's get started and look at what you don't have to do on your US visa interview day. Number 1, do not go there with a school bag or with a handbag. If you want to go with a bag, make sure that you go with a clear bag. I'm going to show you an example of a clear bag for you to see. The reason is that they do not allow you to bring a bag or a school bag into the premises of the US Embassy. So you do not want to go to your interview with a bag and they'll ask you to leave it outside the embassy. You may never know what happened to your bag. If you are from Ghana, where I'm from, there are people seated over there who will take your bag and take money from you. So if you don't want to spend unnecessary money, their charges are also very expensive because they know that they don't have any choice. So if you don't want to be found wanting on that day, do not go with a handbag or a school bag. If possible, go with a clear bag. Yeah, I know what you might be asking yourself. How do I go with all the documents I need for the interview? Put all the documents in a file. I've already showed you how you can group them to make it easy for you once the consular asks for it. So watch the previous video so that you get to know how you can group them. 2, do not go to the embassy with liquids, drinks, or food. They do not allow any of those things at their premises. That's why I told you in the previous video that you have to eat before you go for your interview. If you go with any drink or any food, they'll ask you to leave it before you enter the premises. And you don't want to waste food because wastage of food is not a good thing to do. So do not bother yourself going with any drink or anything like that. Eat before you go. And once you are done with the interview, you can also go and eat as well. Number 3, do not present any false document. In an attempt to make a good impression, sometimes we may go with some documents that are not ours. I don't want you to do that. If you do that, they are going to find out. So make sure that you cross-check all your documents again and see that they are genuine and they bear your name. If you have a financial statement from a friend or a family member who will support you in your education, make sure that you know the person. You know the person's name. The document bears the name of the person. And if possible, get an authorization letter from the person showing that he or she has agreed to sponsor you for your education. Please do not present any false document. Once they find out, they are going to deny you the visa. 4, dress decently. You don't have to go there dressing so shabbily. You want to make a good first impression. So look at it that you are going for a normal job interview. How would you dress a normal job interview? You can wear any dress that is suitable in your culture. So you don't necessarily have to put on suit and tie, but you can dress in business casual. If you're from Africa, you can put on your African print. If you are from India in your culture, whatever dress that is acceptable for you to present in an event, please dress as such. And do not dress so casually and all those shorts. And no, don't dress so casually. Make sure that there is decency in your choice of clothes and in your makeup for the day. The last one is that do not go there with heavy accessories. Before they will allow you to enter into the room where the visa interviews are held, you have to go through an advanced imaging device. If you've been to the airport before, you know that they scan you before you go through security. And this same device is at the premises of the US Embassy. So if you go there and you have heavy accessories on you, you may have to remove all of them and wear them again before you go to the room. And you don't want to go through that. Make sure that your jewels are simple, they are neat, and they are not so large and they are not too many, so that you don't have to go through the process of removing everything and putting them back again, because the scanner will say that there is something on you and actually there is nothing on you. So these are the 5 don'ts I have to share with you today. It is always nice to come your way to share my experience with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for the support you have given to me so far. Bye bye.